Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Monday morning, November 14th. We are looking at Window Traders market profile of the ES and SPY. And after a very, very strong finish last week on both Thursday and Friday, we have been bouncing around inside yesterday's on Friday's range. We said you're going to need hard hats again. For the simple fact, we took back the trend day. All we had was the day's high, which by the way is a poor high in ES and SPY, and a weekly high, and basically the day's low. So we're 21 wide right now at 88 and a quarter. Look where else we've been trading back and forth through. This is where change attempted to take place on Friday, above B's high. The market attempted to spike higher, only to have whatever single prints we had filled by both L and M. Now look how we're going back and forth through it. So this is basically your line in the sand, I think, for early on this morning. Okay, any acceptance above B's high from Friday, it's a good chance we can go test the Friday's high, right? We knew there was going to be a battle at 4,000. We've talked about this, okay? We had massive war, 3,800, 3,900 buys got rejected really hard the first time. So again, you can't be surprised if we have a battle at 4,000. Overnight high right now is 96. Okay, now I generally use this, and I probably will, but I know most people just use what's happening in the overnight. So back and forth, this is your line in the sand. Acceptance above B's high, we go for the overnight high and attack 4,000. If we can't get above B's high, we're going to spend at least a good part of the day inside of Friday's range, right? So as far as the game plan, imbalance in value, not great risk reward. But again, you can take a short against B's high, and then you could be out either above value high or the overnight high. Above B's high, again, you could take a long and use L's low as your out. Those would be the two plays I have right now. If we open any more inside the meat of Friday's range, no trade whatsoever. And if we are to rally in the next 75 minutes up here, then again, you could take a long with higher value and use either value high or B's high as your out. Just early plays. There's the Qs. Now, if triple Qs, don't forget, went out with a trend day. They held single prints. Look where they're trading. Back and forth between the two distributions, okay? And they basically have a double distribution in the overnight, all right? Which we kind of have also, as you can see. So you can treat this as basically two separate days if we get up to that level. And Russell, they don't have a double distribution in their overnight as they came and traded at Friday night's lows. But look at Russell. Russell, remember, went out with a 9-wide point of control, an afternoon rally high in K. They did not take out either side of their IB, and overnight they look like they got below Friday's low. So that'll be something to keep an eye on. And then on the chart, having trouble with Schwab again, so I went to bar chart. I don't even know if it's working. Let's see if it's going to be working. I don't even know if these charts are working right now. I'm not sure if this is even up for you. I'm hoping it is. But just quickly, then I'll show you the daily. This gap is our main focus. Okay? That's the 200 up here at 407 and change. There's the 50. There's the 20. I put the 144 in. I was trying to do it on the minute chart, but I don't think this is working. So I'll take this off at some point. But anyway, the daily, at some point you'd like to see it come into balance. It'd be healthier to get a stronger move up. They're still inside September 13th day. Remember, it's not going to be an easy day to take back, and then the large gap above. So the big question is, which gap gets taken back first? This one from September 13th or this one from last week? Good luck trading today. Thanks for the likes and subscribing, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.